Samantala, nananawagan sa komunidad ang isang pamilya sa Winnipeg para sa posibleng full-match stem cell donor para sa half-Filipino na anak na nangangailangan sumailalim sa isang bone marrow transplant. Narito ang report ni Paula Saraza.
She is our firstborn daughter, and she is a very smart little girl. She loves to sing and dance. And she was supposed to start kindergarten this year, but due to this happening, we are still trying to make a little bit of learning happen for her, but she's not able to attend school full-time as of right now.
Madalas na pagbisita sa ospital, iba't ibang medical procedure at treatment. Ganito binago ng sakit na aplastic anemia ang buhay ng 4 na taong gulang na si Layla Simon.
I'm the prettiest girl in the whole world.
Nito lang Marso nang matanggap ng pamilya ang diagnosis. Agad silang nagpatingin sa doktor nang mapansin ang dumadaming mga pasa sa binti ni Layla. Kabilang ang ilan pang sintomas tulad ng matinding nosebleed.
At first, she was doctors diagnosed her with ITP, which is a condition with her platelets. Initially, we did this treatment, and we were hoping it would work, but at the end, it didn't work. So we had to do more tests. She had a bone marrow biopsy, and that determined that she had aplastic anemia, which means her bone marrow doesn't produce any red blood cells, white blood cells, or platelets.
Ang posibleng lunas, isang bone marrow transplant.
Hopefully by this bone marrow transplant, maybe by next year she can go back to school, and that's what she's hoping for.
Sumubok ang pamilyang ibahagi ang kwento nila online sa pag-asang makahanap ng donor.
Hi, my name is Layla Simon. My mom is doing this because I'm sick.
Dahil half Filipino si Layla, mixed race donor ang kinakailangan niya.
My wife Cassie, I, and Easton, our 2-year-old, are half matches with Layla as a donor. For a bone marrow transplant, it's good to have a full 10 out of 10 donor. If that doesn't come our way with the swabs and all the campaign that we've been doing, either me and my son will be the donor.
Aminado ang pamilya sa hamon at malaking adjustment ng kasalukuyang sitwasyon, pero patuloy na ipinasasalamat ang positibong pananaw ng anak sa kabila ng nilalabanang sakit.
Along with the disease, she has no immune system in her body, so she has no neutrophil count, and that means we can't be around our family. We also have a 2-year-old son, so while she was in the hospital, we barely saw him at the time.
Like the Filipino side, all our cousins are here, all her little cousins. She can't participate in a lot of events. We had to take a step back for that.
And you say, I want to help others like me.
And help others like me.
Ang paghahanap ng full-match donor kay Layla nagmulat din sa pamilya sa malaking kakulangan ng Asian descent at mixed-race donors. Umaasa silang sa pamamahagi ng panawagan mas marami ang magbigay interes at lumapit sa Canada Blood Services Stem Cell Registry para matulungan ang mga kabataang pasyente tulad ni Layla. Paula Saraza, Omni News, Toronto.